They say it's not about the size but how you use it that matters. Samsung is clearly not listening to that. The Galaxy Note 10 is no longer just one flagship phone, it is now a series. With the all-new Galaxy Note 10 Plus, a bigger, better, and more powerful version of the Note 10. And how you use it to work to your advantage is only limited by your imagination. Here are 5 things you should know about the new Galaxy Note 10 Plus. Galaxy Note 10 Plus is a 6.8-inch phablet with an almost bezel-less display. The S Pen is more powerful than ever, with functions you would not even imagine a pen can do for simple selfies. Converting handwriting to text is now done in real time. The video capabilities are a notch above the rest in its class, with a lot more functions you can do that has never been done before. And the battery. It has a life of its own. The 6.8-inch nearly bezel-less edge-to-edge cinematic infinity screen display is the biggest ever on a Note, and the pinhole-sized design of the front-facing camera in the center gives the Note 10 Plus a 94% screen-to-body ratio. The dynamic AMOLED display is also sharper than ever with HDR10 Plus certification. The Note 10 version can be considered well-endowed at 6.3 inches. The S Pen is all grown up, evolving from last year's capabilities. This time, the S Pen on both the Note and the Plus versions are enhanced with air control capabilities. This means you can customize gestures to control your phone camera without even having to touch it. The S Pen on the Note 9 last year allowed us to take pictures remotely. The S Pen on the Note 10 series will let you zoom in and out or flip from front to back camera without even touching your phone. Your selfies will never be the same again. Using the S Pen to write notes gets a big upgrade. You can now convert your handwriting to text in real time and even share it instantly as a Microsoft Word document. You can now enlarge or minimize your text, change pen types, or even color your handwriting even after you're done writing. Samsung Mobile realizes we take a lot of video, so now it gives us the tools to make even more creative videos. Live Focus is now available for videos. You can fiddle with the background and change the depth of field of all your videos even after you shot it. The Zoom In mic feature amplifies the sound of your subject even if they're far away from you, giving you a clearer audio of the subject in frame. And because Samsung knows many of you try so hard to be cute with drawings on your pics, it is now letting you do the same on video. The unique AR Doodle feature lets you draw on your face, and whatever you draw stays on your face even if you are moving in the video. A fun idea, but may not be something for everyone. The battery on the Plus version of the Note 10 comes in at 4,300 milliamps an hour. That means 10 hours of usage in normal setting, or even all day long in power saving mode. What's more, the enhanced software will optimize your phone usage intelligently, bringing power where you need it and putting apps you don't need to sleep. Power sharing has also become a mainstay of Samsung's flagship phones, where you can wirelessly charge other Galaxy devices and accessories. And if you ever run out of juice, plug it in. In 30 minutes, you get 100% battery capacity thanks to its super fast charging power. The Note 10 comes with 3 rear cameras, ultra-wide, wide-angle, and telephoto. The Note 10 Plus has 4 rear cameras, including the depth vision camera for 3D scanning of objects and faces. Another major upgrade, night mode on the front-facing camera. This guarantees you will be properly lit even if you take a selfie in the dark or against the sunlight. And that's the Galaxy Note 10 and the Note 10 Plus. One is bigger, but both packing features to make sure you can use them to be productive and to impress.